Welcome to our episode of Cyber Talks. Without wasting time, moving to our first update of the day, GitHub breach. Starting with the biggest update of the day, GitHub confirmed that threat actor Team PCP gained unauthorized access to its internal system and listed over 3,800 internal repositories, including source code. For a skill on cybercrime forum, GitHub serves hundreds of millions of developers, so the potential downstream impact here is enormous. The investigation is still going. Second update are from Fox Tempest MSAS takedown. Next, Microsoft took down a sophisticated malware signing as a service operation run by a group called Fox Tempest. What makes this especially dangerous is that the attacker weaponized Microsoft's own artifact signing infrastructure, essentially getting Microsoft to legitimate signing their malware. They enabled ransomware and other attacks across thousands of machines worldwide before Microsoft intervened. Third update are from Team PCP supply chain attack. The same threat actor behind the GitHub breach, Team PCP, also poisoned the official Microsoft Durable Task Python client. This is a widely used package for orchestrating workflow in Python environment. 3 consecutive releases were compromised, meaning any organization that updated during that window may have pulled down a malicious package without knowing it. Fourth update are from Grafana GitHub breach. Grafana Labs disclosed that their GitHub environment was breached through the 10 stack NPM supply chain attack. Private source code and internal operation data were exfiltrated. The good news is no customer production system were affected. The concern is this shows how a single poisoned NPM package can cascade into a major enterprise breaches. Fifth update are from Yellowkey CB 2026455585. Microsoft released a mitigation for a BitLocker bypass vulnerability named Yellowkey, tracked as CB20264585 with a CVC score of 6.8. BitLocker is a full disk encryption solution built into Windows. A bypass here means an attacker with physical access to a device, a stolen laptop for example, could potentially access its encrypted data without the key. Patch this immediately. Sixth update from NVIDIA Triton Authorization Bypass. NVIDIA disclosed a critical authentication bypass in its Triton Inference server, a platform widely used to serve AI and machine learning models in production. An attacker who exploits this can gain unauthorized access to the server without any credentials. As enterprises rapidly scale AI infrastructure, vulnerabilities like become high-value target. Seventh update are from Waveform APT. Finally, Chinese state-aligned threat actor Waveform deployed two new custom backdoors, EcoCreep and GrabWorm. What's notable here is their choice of command and control channel, Discord and Microsoft Graph API by hiding malicious traffic inside trusted cloud form. They make detection significantly harder for traditional security tools. Government agencies are the primary targets. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Stay aware, stay safe, stay updated.